Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video and we'll talk.
Well, hey family, happy Thursday. This is Darlene. I'm sitting here making some earrings. I figured I would go ahead and turn the camera on because I was working, making some other stuff, and then I was working on the digital magazine, and then I am working on a project for a client with her Amazon store and then some other things. So that's been consuming a lot of my time just working on that project for her. Just about done with that. I'm looking forward to getting finished with it. But anyway, I'm using some of these red coral beads. And then, of course, some of my little gold spacers. I do need to order some more of these little thingies. Uh, that little gold spacer right there. Because I think I got maybe 5 of these left. And I really do like these as spacers. And then we're going to go ahead and just use a couple of these beads just to try to make something real cute and simple, and making some earrings so I could add them to the fair store, and then that Poshmark and a couple other websites. So we're just going to go ahead and put some simple earrings together. And then I also need to take pictures for those other websites. The pictures where I sell the pictures on those different websites. Let me see something. Do I want to use this little gold bead? Let's see. And then maybe put the curl piece on top. I don't like the way that looks, so let me try something. Yep, I like the way that looks better. So we'll do them both like that. Grab another gold bead. And these are just simple, easy, but I want them real cute, and I'm kind of stuck on the charms dangling from the bottom, so I am going to put some charms on here too. So I'm going to go ahead and take the wire. I cut a lot of wire right here, so I'm going to try, you know what, let's see, I might use all of it, because I do like it to have that nice thick wired look. Just adds a nice richness to the earring. Go ahead and close this. I'm not going to cut none of this wire off. I'm going to just go ahead and close it down. Nice and neat. Get it all tucked in under the wire, or as close as the wire as I can get. And it ends up looking like this. And I'm going to leave this part down here because I'm going to add some charms down here. And then we'll take our second earring, pretty much like this. Fold our wire over and it looks like that. And then we'll go ahead and wrap it. And when you see me twist my wrist back like this, I'm basically straightening up this part, that hoop. So that's what's going on. And we'll just go ahead and wrap all this wire around. I'm going to go ahead and use all of it because I like it when it has the nice thickness of the wire. It just adds a lot to it. Nice little richness. Go ahead and close that down on there. Make sure it's nice and tucked. And I don't feel anything, so that's good stuff. And then this is what they look like. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add some charms on the bottom. I could have added the charms on here first, and I think I might start doing that. So I'm going to use some of these little square glass beads that I turned into charms. We're going to go ahead and use a letter or two. And then I think I'm going to use one of the little cowboy hat And then we'll go ahead and close it off. Make sure it's nice and closed like that. And I do like when the charms are closer as opposed to when we use a jump ring and we put that jump ring there and then we put the charms on it. I do like when they look nice and close like this too. So that's one. And then we'll go ahead and use some more of these squares. Let's open this up a little bit more. We'll grab a letter. We're all going to use another cowboy hat. Makes sense to me. And then we'll use another glass square charm. We'll put that on there. And then we're going to go ahead and close it nice and snug. Like that. Go ahead and straighten it up though. Make sure it's nice and straight. Make sure it's closed. And if you like to take that piece of wire and turn it to the side, as opposed to opening the whole wire like I do, don't pick up my bad habits. I mean, I just like doing it that way. I do know, like when I started, even with the ear wire, when I started it, as far as taking the wire and then twisting it to the side to open it and then putting I've had the wire to break, so I'm like, okay, I don't like it that way, so I just literally go ahead and open it up, close it back up, you know. And if you do it the other way, that's good stuff. However you do it is how you do it. Okay, and this is how they look so far. We're gonna grab a couple of our ear wires, and of course I'm gonna open it the way that I open it, but of course you open it the way you open it. You know, there ain't no law to it. So, and then I'm gonna go ahead and close it back. And for me, as long as it's closed nice and snug against that wire, I'm good, and ain't no wire is breaking on me, so I'm good with it. As long as I'm able to get the job done, that's all I'm concerned about. So then we're gonna go ahead and put this one, and then we'll close it down, make sure it's nice and snug, and it is closed on there. And these are, my nails look terrible. And then this is what they look like. Very jazzed. And I'm really, really liking, I've always liked this, the kind of junket look with all the charms at the bottom. I'm getting ready to do custom charms using some of these beads and then some of these other small beads that I have. These right here, and then I have some color beads over here. I'm getting ready to make some little custom charms because I'm gonna start working on some bracelets again, so I could take pictures of the bracelets. And remember, the bracelets for me, when I make the bracelets, take the pictures sell really well on those two of the different websites where I have pictures of my products on. So those sell really good, the bracelets. So I do need to get some bracelets made, and I'm gonna try to get those done today, probably later on today. But this is what these are for right now. Really cute. I like them. You guys let me know what you think. Really, really cute. But Darling Knife for Jewelry by BDK, and I want to thank you again for your membership and all your support. And guess what? We'll talk.